Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to install Edge browser on Samsung Galaxy A36. First we need to open Play Store, then click on the search icon, then the search bar, write Edge, search, there it is, Microsoft Edge AI browser, install. Now we just have to wait a little bit until it's downloaded. Then open. If you want, you can set it as a default browser. I'm not gonna do that. Confirm, and it's done. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.